67. I wonder where the rest are. Okay, so what's going to happen here is in terms of argumentative essay, whenever teachers mention, okay, today you need to write an essay, obviously it's understandable that most students will be regretting hearing the word essay. Not sure why, but then again, I guess it is in your generation where you use the abbreviation of everything, like RN is right now, NGL. I forgot again. NGL is what?
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Why is it so famous nowadays? NGL, NGL. Okay, yeah, not gonna lie. Do people always lie? Why use an abbreviation of that? Okay, so let's go through this. Argumentative essay 914. So in terms of argumentative essay in wet. Even though you are thinking that, oh my goodness, how am I going to write an essay in wet? Am I able to score at least a band 4 from wet with my horrible grammatical errors and so forth? Now, this is the part where even though you think that you are having, like you are weak in your English proficiency, in terms of grammatical errors and even perhaps limited vocabulary. In terms of what, let me guide you on how we are able to score, even though you are saying that you have low proficiency in writing an essay. Let me guide you to ensure that you will be able to get at least a high band 3 for those who are saying that, oh my goodness, teacher, my essay is horrible, to at least a high band 3 depending on your proficiency. Now, in terms of what, it is all technical. It is all technical. Now, you have to understand in essay as well in writing as well as in speaking test later on. Um, do not think, don't overthink about your grammar, don't overthink about your limited vocabulary and so forth. Do not, most important is, don't overthink about your grammatical errors, because it's already like 18 years of your life. You're supposed to in a way have a proficiency in that. But why I say do not overthink it is because most importantly in speaking, most importantly in essay, is that you have a bright idea, you have a sound idea. You are given a topic for you to discuss in speaking, you're given a topic for you to write about in essay. We just want to see whether you are able to understand and able to effectively write. This is for essay, write out your mind. Some of us, not some of us, all of you, you are really bright, you are really clever, you're really intelligent in a way. So in a way, when you're given a topic, for example, an argumentative essay, we just want to know, we just want to see and be able to understand whether you have understood the question, and we want to hear and read about your opinion. As long as you're able to write your opinion clearly, then you're good. Yeah, in a way, if you're having that, okay, because I've got some students where they are really bright, but then again, they have limited vocabulary in English. So this is the part where, but then again, when an examiner, for me personally as an examiner, when I read the essay that I'm marking, a candidate of a MWET, the grammatical errors, sentence structures is quite atrocious. It's quite horrible. But then again, the idea, the ideas, the elaboration, the effort to elaborate is very, very clear. So in a way, you have to understand that for essay, there are two assessments. Number one is task fulfillment. Task fulfillment is how you answer the question. And number two is language. Language is obviously your proficiency level, whether you are able to use low frequency words in English term, or in teenagers term, bombastic words. Okay, so if it depends on your language. But then again, if you think that you are having low proficiency in English, limited vocabulary and so forth, then you focus on gaining the task fulfillment marks. Okay, now let me see. I have successfully joined the class just now, but then again, okay. Okay, now for example, let me go through here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Hmm. This is one thing that I wanna. Give me a minute. I'm trying to find out where is the whiteboard. Is it here? Give me a minute. If you can see my... Okay, can you see my whiteboard?
Yeah.
Okay, display content. We couldn't start the presentation. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Why couldn't you start the presentation? Nah, if like... Okay. Alamak kesiannya. Okay, so let's go through this one. Okay, can you see my whiteboard? Yes, no?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
Thank you for responding. Thank you for responding. Okay, now this is the part where okay, now can somebody please switch off the audio? Okay, so this is the part for essay later on. There will be task fulfillment. Can somebody please switch off the audio? It's very distracting. Darlings, please switch off the audio and your audio. Thank you. Okay, now there is task fulfillment. Unfortunately, can't see the whiteboard. Alamak, it's okay. This is by Hati. I'm so sorry. This is recorded, so hopefully